Chime PPP loans, SBA loans, Chime Bank, Chime Credit Builder Card. We got a lot to talk about when it comes to Chime. Hope you guys are enjoying your morning, enjoying your day, whatever time you're seeing this. I really hope you guys are having a good day. Let me know in the comment section below. First, do you have a Chime, or are you still waiting for your PPP loan? Like, what are you waiting on right now? So drop the comments below. If you guys are interested and want to download Chime, you'll actually receive a free $75 just for downloading Chime. You'll also receive a bank account, savings account, and a credit builder account. Now with that credit builder account, that's actually going to help build your credit. Now, if you guys got further questions regarding that, feel free to drop those questions below. I've got tons of videos regarding credit, regarding financial freedom, regarding even a credit builder card on my account. But if you guys still got questions, feel free to drop those questions below. Today we'll be talking about the PPP loan and make everything that you have to have in order to actually receive a PPP loan through Chime. If you guys have been accepted or rejected, let me know as well in the comment section. I'm going to give you guys some qualifications and some reasons why you may be rejected. And as of right now, Chime is currently accepting those PPP loans. I don't know how long they're going to keep it open, but as of right now, I talked to a representative and they are accepting those PPP loans. Now, Chime Bank actually watches my video as well. So that's another reason I try to tell you guys, comment under my videos, because Chime, these banks, these institutions will actually see this content and they're going to read the comments as well. So if you guys got questions, feel free to drop them below regarding your PPP loans, SBA loans, anything regarding Chime. Just feel free to drop below. But I'm going to let you guys know what exactly could qualify you from not receiving your PPP loans. So let's get right to that first. Now, you want to make sure, number one, you have a U.S. mobile phone number, right? Number two, you know your social security number. Number three, you have a U.S. bank account that can access online. So you got to have some type of online feature with your bank. And just to recap, for your social security number, I know it sounds like, oh, well, Q, I know my social security number, I know my phone number. That is correct. But when you guys enter this information, some people, you can get a little antsy and hit another number or another letter when you're entering, whether it's email accounts or passwords and things like that. So you guys want to make sure that your social security number is actually linked and that you're typing it in right. A lot of people got errors and had to actually get their checks back and redo them over based on the fact of their social security number was off by a number. It has to match. Everything has to match, whether it's your phone number, your license, it all has to match. So I am trying to push that out to you guys, because it doesn't matter how fast you do it. You guys just want to do it correct, right? So it doesn't matter, oh, you got to be the first one, the second one to do it. You just got to make sure this information is correct. Also, the IRS, you got to make sure you file the IRS Form 1040, including at least a Schedule C or Schedule F in 2019 or 2020. If you haven't done that, you will be denied. Also, the last check mark they're saying is you have to have access to a PDF of my tax filings from 2019 and 2020. So if you guys are wanting to apply for these loans, you guys have to come with the proper information, right? Phone number, you gotta know your social security number, you gotta have a U.S. bank account that you can access online. You also should have filed the IRS Form 1040, including a Schedule C or a Schedule F in 2019. And then also you must have access to a complete PDF of your tax filings of 2019 and 2020. If you guys are going through these companies like Chime, who goes through, who could go through Blue Acorn, who go through, it's so many different companies, right? Let me know what company you're going through in the comment section. But as of right now, Chime is accepting those loans, but your information has to be correct. So let me break this down some more. They're not going to deny you and then let somebody else go through. You know what I mean? So you have to make sure everything is correct. And that's what they're trying to tell me to tell you guys. Just make sure everything is valid and correct. And if this company doesn't work with Chime, try somewhere else. So everywhere is different, and every situation is different. So to get the best out of all this information, make sure everything is correct. Now I'm going to be getting into some comments that I actually been receiving from you guys and try to answer some of these questions and see what I can do to help you guys when it comes to these PPP loans. What's the fastest way to do it? What are some reviews? What are some reports regarding this loan? All right, guys, so let's get right to this. Chime rejected my PPP loan, says name doesn't match, but it does. Put in an inquiry with Blue Acorn, and they sent me this. What should I do? And I'm going to read exactly what they will receive. If you will receive this email as well, feel free to drop the questions, comments, and concerns below. They began to say, thank you again for your continued trust and patience with your PPP application process. We wanted to reach out with a quick update on your PPP loan and Chime bank account. As we mentioned before, we ran into issues transferring funds into your Chime account. We've been working with them as well as our other technical partners to get a solution quickly. Unfortunately, that solution is not 100% done yet, but we do expect it to be ready to go within the next few days. We just wanted to make sure you were in the loop. We will also have a few options available for alternative ways to get your funds. They should be coming available within the next week or two. We'll be in contact as soon as those are ready. We again apologize for the delays and the frustration this has caused our borrowers. Our tech and customer service teams have been working around the clock trying to get a solution in place. We realize the burden that delays like this cause you and your family. So thank you again for your trust and patience as we get it all fixed. Boom. And this is strictly from them. This was actually at 2:22 a.m. in the morning. They sent this. So they are working day in and day out, but they are stating as well, if they don't come out with a solution right now, they are working on one within a week or two. So there's still time. That is still actually saying there's hope, and it can still be done. So if you guys were wondering, is Chime going to accept them? And this is the verification from Blue Acorns that they are working with Chime to getting those things processed. As far as when, as you guys know, we don't know yet, but they're saying about a week or two. Another comment that said, I had to change my account, frown face. So I previously had my Blue Acorn PPP signed up with Chime. I got approved and everything, and right before being funded, they reached out to me to tell me I had to change my account. I've now switched my account and wondering how long this should take. Everything is still checked off. It's just back in the underwriting stage. Anybody got experience with this? So when it comes to these situations, the best thing that we can do in reality is make sure everything is checked off, number one. Make sure all of your account information is correct. As we talked about earlier, you want to make sure your U.S. phone number is correct. You got to make sure you know your social security number. You got to also make sure your bank account information. Make sure you file an IRS form 1040, also including at least a Schedule C or Schedule F. And also you got to have access to the PDF of your tax filings from 2019 and 2020. So if everything checked up and that's all you had to do was just change that bank account information, it shouldn't be too long. But also, guys, know everything works as business days. So people are checking Sundays and Saturdays. It's a long stretch. It's a reach if you guys think, things are being processed. But the best way to do it is Monday through Friday. Monday through Friday, get those business days, track those days. A lot of people are saying, I waited Saturday, I waited Sunday. Well, it was not too much is going to move Saturday and Sunday, especially with the IRS, especially when it comes to, they're the perfect example of business days. It's a business day. So things can be getting processed, but as far as you hearing something fully, wait until the weekend, wait until after the weekend. You should be getting updates throughout the week. So best advice would be if you receive something even on a Friday, don't stress yourself out the whole weekend. Just wait till Monday and try to get some more information, because even when it comes to banks, they work Monday through Fridays. So you gotta understand, you're working with the bank and the IRS. They're not Walmart, guys. They're not open 24/7 and things getting processed. So just be careful. Then also, if you get this message, just take your time. It's not gonna go anywhere from Friday to Monday. I understand I understand, but like we gotta understand as well. It's a business. It's business hours. So with that being said, if this helped, guys, drop your comments below. Let me know what you guys feel, how you guys feel about that. Also, don't forget, I'm still doing that giveaway each and every month. I will be doing winners Friday the 30th. If you guys got questions, feel free to drop them below. The giveaway, if you guys want to be entered, there's a playlist on my channel that says giveaway. Very, very simple to be entered. Very, very easy to do. If you guys want to be entered, feel free to do that. But let's get into this last comment that I actually received. Just thought I'd let you guys know what happened with my PPP loan, and I spoke with the Chime, so I signed my promissory note on 4/14. Got funded on 4/22, which was Thursday. I called Chime on Saturday, 4/24, and they told me they're only accepting PPP loans from Womply. Sunday at 10:46 p.m., my funds hit my Chime account. It was going crazy, but it came. Just be patient. It's coming. Even when it seems like all hope is lost, it's coming. I hope this helps someone. Please ease their emotions. That's the perfect way to end the video, right? Just be patient. And that's a lot of things in life. You just got to kind of be patient. Be patient. If you guys got everything checked off, especially, just be patient. Now, I understand if you guys don't got your forms, if you guys don't have a social security number, an online bank, or even a U.S. phone number, I understand those things could be delayed. But if you got all of those things checked off, trust me, things should be processing. And as I mentioned before, you're going to expect it when it's unexpected. And they actually said Sunday the funds hit. So you never really know. But I just want to make sure you guys know that have all the information there correct. That's the only proper way to 100% not only back yourself up, but also get things going in the in the right direction. They will send you an email once all this is confirmed. If you've done this, whether what website you've done this on, I have the phone number, and that phone number will link you up to your account as well. So that's why it's very important to have all this information correct, especially phone numbers, because that phone number actually links up to your account. You can actually see, different things within that website. Whether you got to upload your tax documents, you can select your PPP stimulus, certain things and stuff like that you can actually get into. But make sure that information is correct. Feel free to drop the comments and questions below. Let me know what your status is in the comment section. I will try my best to reply to each and everybody. But guys, just know Chime watching my videos as well. Other banks, so they're going to be in the comment section as well, answering and replying back to you guys as well. If you guys don't got any other questions, feel free to like and subscribe. Don't forget to stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true. I will try my best to reply to each and everybody. But guys, just know Chime watching my videos as well.